If you do wanted to make a line and use your Osnaps, you can turn on your Osnaps on this button over here. When you click on this one, you'll see all your Osnaps here. And just like your AutoCAD web, you can turn off and uncheck all of them if you want to. But if you wanted to just use one Osnap, let's say I wanted to connect to the center, I can draw a line. So I'm going to type in line, enter. And if I want to connect to the center, I don't need to check my center here. Okay, so I'm not going to check my center. Nothing is checked. What I'm going to do is I'm going to type in CEN. I am still under the line command and I'm typing CEN, enter. And what it does, it allows me to click on a center once. And then my OSNAP is turned off again. Okay, so that's how you can use OSNAPs. You can just use them one at a time by typing one OSNAP at a time. Okay. One problem also that you might encounter is that it doesn't automatically go horizontal. It might go at a slight angle. You just have to check your angle here. If you want it to go straight to the right, it's 0. If you want it to go to the left, it's going to be 180 degrees. So you must always check your angle. Okay. So here I want to go to the right, make sure it's 0 before I click. Okay. And then simply press enter to stop or press escape to stop. And that's how I can draw a line from the center without turning on any of my O snaps. Okay. So if I want to connect to this endpoint, I'm going to type in line again, enter, but I can't click to an endpoint because my endpoint here under my OSNAP is off. So if I wanted to click on an endpoint once, I type in END, enter, and then point to the endpoint and it should connect. And then I can draw my OSNAPs again, or draw my OSNAP once and then press enter to stop. Okay, so you can temporarily use any OSNAP that you want as long as you type in the first three letters ENDP for endpoint, MIDP for midpoint, CEN for center, GEO for geometric center, and OD for node, and so forth and so on. Okay,